Alright guys, I got a quick show for you today. We're going to be testing out the AEA 30 cal bullpup with a 32-inch barrel. We've got a Donnie FL out on the front of there. For today's test, we'll be firing these 111 grain MrHollow Point 30 cal hollow points. And for today's test, we'll be firing at 100 yards through the Pro chronograph just to give us an idea of what kinds of velocities and foot-pounds of energy this rifle can produce with this much heavier bullet. We've got target set up and ready to go. I'll put a camera down there on the target so you can see the impacts. Let's get set up and get this test underway. Here we go with our first test. We'll be shooting this big 111 grain MrHollow Point slug here. These are just massive 30 cal slugs. Got the chronograph ready to go. We've got a target down there. These first few shots I'm just going to use to try to sight in the scope. It's a new scope here on the rifle today that I'll be using. Here we go guys, shot number one, 111 grain MrHollow Point. We got 977 feet per second with a 111 grain hollow point. That is just an incredible amount of foot-pounds of energy for a 30 cal air rifle. Let's go ahead and take our second shot. Alright guys, here we go, shot number two. 948 feet per second on shot number two. Here we go guys, shot number three. (917 feet per second). Here we go, shot number four. (880 feet per second). Fifth and final shot for the power test. 854 feet per second. So there you go guys, there was 5 very powerful shots that you can get from this 30 cal AEA. This is the one with the 32-inch barrel, and we're shooting basically one of the heavier leads that you're going to want to throw out of this rifle today. Okay, so we're down to the 100-yard test. I've got a target now sitting right there in front of the 100-yard deer silhouette. Let's go ahead and zoom back out for you just a little bit. Get this shot set up and let's get shooting. Here we go, we're going to fire our first round down on that target, 100-yard shot. Here we go, shot number one. Here we go, shot number two. Alright, shot number three. Here we go, shot number four. Alright, here we go with our fifth and final shot. There you guys go. There was 5 shots down at 100 yards. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the target. I'll set us some other things that we can shoot at, something that's a little more fun, a little more reactive. Take a few more shots and see how well we can do. Alright, so we just took 5 shots on the paper out there at 100 yards. Let me go ahead and zoom in this camera for you so you can see these impacts at a distance. See if we can't hit a few of those spray cans up on top. Those are spray expanding foam that you use in home construction. Shot number 1, guys. Here we go. Oh, it sounded like we hit it. Saw it move a little bit. Okay, here we go, shot number 2. Hit the can again. So I'm hitting the can on the far right side over there, but for some reason I'm not getting much of a reaction out of the can. Just wobbling it back and forth. See if we can hit the one beside it here, the second one in from the right to the left. I took that one right down. Alright guys, I've only got 2 more bullets left. Let's see if we can make them count. Knock off the one that's second one over now from the left. Got that sucker down. Alright, last shot, guys. Let's knock that first one off since I can't seem to get it to fall over. There we go. Alright guys, well there was a day out shooting with the AEA 30 cal bullpup with a 32-inch barrel. Very nice rifle, very accurate and extremely powerful. Till next time, get out there and get your air gun on.